Hello, I'm in a 2007 Saturn Ion, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you go into the driver's side here, and then you'll look right down here for a lever, and you should feel a little resistance on it and pop as you pull it, which releases the safety. And if you don't feel any resistance at all, it might already be pulled. But otherwise, you want to check up in here, see if any of these cables here might be loose that need tightened up or reconnected. But we got it popped, so now we'll go up to the front. And typically most vehicles, right around the middle, you'll find a release lever. So just feel around for it, and you should feel it a little bit loose as well. So right here's the lever. So we're gonna push this way and then pull up. So push. A little bit heavy, I had to use two hands. So that's the hook it hooks onto, and then there's the mechanism that we just push to release. If you're having issues with this, you might need to kind of clean out any possible gunk in there, or potentially it's a little off alignment, so maybe the hood's off aligned or that piece. Worst case scenario, you might need to replace it. They're pretty affordable for the latch. And then you can see there too the cables running. That'll lead you back inside for that, where that release was that we pulled in the driver's seat. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.